Cool. So in this lesson we're going to learn how to make an origami frog. So this again is a progression on the last 2 lessons. So you need to start off with a square piece of paper. We're going to fold the 2 corners together like we normally do, and the opposite 2 corners together. Then we are going to fold the paper in half. Like always, we want to make sure our creases are nice and defined, so we can flip it over if we want and do it the exact same in half, just in the opposite direction. That way you'll just get a more defined crease. We're going to do the same this way. And I'm going to flip it over again. As this is a bit tougher, this one, you just want to make sure your creases are defined, as it will make it easier for you. Right, so now we're going to put the page in half, and we're going to make a triangle on the top. So we're going to cross here and across there. So in order to get the cross here, we just go in half. I'm going to bring the 2 of them over, that way it just lessens the work. So 2 over, and I'll go again this way just to make it more definite. So as you can see, we've a cross there and a cross there. I'm going to do the same with the bottom. So we've a cross there and there. Then on the top bit, we're going to bring in these, and I might go over again one more time. And don't be afraid to make the crosses defined. So I made a little triangle, but that's just to make the crosses more defined. And then same as the butterfly, we're going to pull them in on top of each other. So that one's nice and clear, they're symmetrical, so we can't see the bottom pages. We're going to do the exact same with the bottom. So just take your time and make sure you do it right, because they need to fold on top of each other. So as you can see with me, it takes a couple of goes just to make sure you're getting them nice and accurate. So you just try and get them as accurate as you can. So now we have a nice square. We're going to keep it as a diamond position. We're going to bring this side up and make sure that the lines are the same, so that line is in line with this. So you fold it right on top of each other. Doing the same with this side. Then you're going to bring that this line is in line with that. So you're going to fold it over. So origami is just paper folding. That's all it is, to make cool shapes. So we're going to fold this one again. If you could see now, that's going to be the front legs of the frog. So now we need to do the back legs. So it's the exact same principle. Then you bring them out, so you let them be in line. So there's no going like that. You're putting them all the time in line with the folded lines beneath them. So now we have the front legs and the back legs, we flip it over. So the last few moves, there's 3 more steps. You fold this on top, so you're going to make a triangle until it's in line with the crease going through the middle. Then you're going to bring this side to make sure that the line goes as central as possible. So, and this one's going to meet it there. And there you have it, you have your little frog. So you can make a little spring in it if you want by just pressing this back. So you just put your fingers there and press it back, and then it looks like a frog that's ready to jump. So that's it. That's the last session of how to make an origami frog. It's probably the hardest one we've done to date.